Hi, this is Neeraj Hande and the spotlight debate for today, whether sex education is necessary in schools or not, is going to be held at RAN International School, Kharghar. So let's see whether sex education is important in schools or not.
Yeah, I think sex education is very important in schools nowadays because basically at that time our emotions are very delicate and they are just forming. So we need to decide at that time whether what is right and what is wrong.
It's only a type of education which is making the students aware.
Ignorance in a situation like this in today's day and age could be disastrous to a lot of people.
I think sex education is very important, but proper information should be provided in a proper way.
Yes, I think sex education is really very important in schools, especially for all the girls, all the teen girls, wherein you can see that there are so many cases of unwanted pregnancy during the teens.
I think sex education is necessary in school because at school level, many students are confused, many don't know what they are going through at that point of time. And that's the actual age where they get into relationships.
It is important to have it in the school because the youth nowadays has to be aware of all the pros and cons. Getting stuck up in awkward situations, it's best to take precaution.
As we have just seen, the opinions differed from person to person. Some think that sex education is necessary in school, while others don't think so. So here I have with me the students of Standard 11 Science and Commerce here to express their views about the same. To my right is the proposition. And to my left is the opposition. Can I now have the opening statement from the proposition, please?
Yes, sex education is completely necessary nowadays in schools. Why do we develop certain feelings towards a particular sex? How are these feelings developed? In schools, we are taught everything from maths to science to commerce. Why should sex education be left behind?
And what does the opposition have to say about this?
No, sex education is not necessary as these are impressionable minds and it's very early for them to understand or learn anything about sex.
Wow, this debate has begun with a bang. Now let's have the main points from the proposition.
Sex education is important as it reduces risk behavior such as unprotected sex. It also helps students make informed decisions about their personal sexual activity.
Everyone must understand the bigger picture here. Some people actually get into sex at the age of 16, and sex education will only help them from not getting into it so early.
With the help of sex education, we learn about birth control, such as contraception and condoms, which help us prevent out-of-marriage unwanted pregnancies or teenage pregnancies. It also helps us prevent transmission of STDs. AIDS can actually kill people, and we as students must know about it.
Let's see what the opposition has to say.
Students like us are not supposed to have sex, so where does the question of unprotected sex come from?
I think sex education also encourages homosexuality, which is not a good thing.
India's gone ahead in a lot of things, but when it comes to things like these, India is still traditional. So how can you have people coming to school and talk about this?
Sex is a very personal thing and it has to be done after marriage. We have a very long way to go and we don't need to learn about it right now.
Well, let's continue our debate and see whether sex education is valuable or detrimental.
My opponent just said that it is personal and it shouldn't be done. But it is exactly what we will learn from sex education.
Yeah, I don't think it can encourage homosexuality. I think it can increase tolerance towards homosexuality.
Sex education teaches us how to be safe. But if it's not taught, students will not do it at all.
Today's kids think they are very smart, but actually they are not. They need to be told if it is not done in the right way, it may lead to unwanted pregnancy.
Pregnancies occur when kids know too much about it. If sex education really stops it, then why is it not implemented?
State governments tried introducing sex education as a compulsory part of school curriculum, but it was met by harsh criticism by political parties and people like you who said that this was not the Indian way of doing things. If only you could change your train of thought, sex education might actually work.
Once people know about it in the open, they pressurize each other and they are forced to have sex under peer pressure.
Sex education prevents population growth. When students are taught at the very beginning that they must use the precautions, then they plan the number of children they want to have, not increasing the population.
I believe the people in the cities are well versed with the fact that India has population issues and they will certainly not add to the population.
What about people in rural areas? We are not only talking about sex education in the cities.
Sex education comes peer pressure. With peer pressure comes the increase in rape cases.
Sex education is a mean to understand and question the existence of assault and sexual violence in our country. So sex education will play a role in checking the rise in rape cases.
So, are we ready for our closing statements?
Our society is not an open one. Some religions teach sexual behavior outside marriage is immoral, and knowledge alone doesn't change behavior. So no, I don't think sex education is necessary for students in the school.
In conclusion, I believe sex education gives you a control over your body and a liberty from social controls. So yeah, the earlier it is taught, the better it is, and I firmly believe that sex education is good for us.
As we have seen, the proposition has still not left their front. At the same time, the opposition is also not budged. So I leave this decision upon you to think whether sex education is necessary in school or not. This is Neeraj saying thank you from Rand International School, Kharghar.